Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August the 7th, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts and as well as investigate whether the price of a particular asset has been impacted by some of the top news of today. Thank you all for coming to our channel. Make sure if this is your first time, you do appreciate the content, that you subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification as well so you do not miss out on any of the other videos that we produce here on YouTube. Now, if you want to get more information on how to forecast price movement without the confusion of the price charts, definitely go ahead and check us out at our website. The link is going to be in the description of the video. You guys can sign up there and become part of the community of everyone else that is in the market accumulating Bitcoin. So now today, maybe the top news of today was apparently Binance has been threatened over KYC information. There's supposedly a hacker who has allegedly taken KYC information from Binance. This is what this article is talking about. There's a plethora of other articles on the internet space. I'm not going to waste too much time on these articles because our focus is only strictly on the price chart. We just want to see, has Binance been affected by the news that came out today? So now, starting off here, Binance was threatened and harassed over false KYC leak. Now, the individual, as Binance statement reads, demanded the cryptocurrency from them to withhold 10,000 photos that bear similarity to Binance KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer Data. Now, the exchange clarified that it is still investigating the case for legitimacy and relevancy. Per the exchange, talking about Binance, it did in fact refuse to give up 300 Bitcoin with the extortion attempt. Now, the individual started placing those photos on a public website and as well to media outlets. Telegram is the platform that they place those photos onto. Now, first and foremost, this is the response from Binance. There are inconsistencies when comparing this data to the data in our system. At the present time, no evidence has been supplied that indicates any KYC images have been obtained from Binance. Okay, this is the loophole. Okay, Binance system, according to them, hasn't been hacked, as these images do not contain the digital watermark imprinted by our system. So who else got these images that went to Binance? So Binance nevertheless has a security team looking into all the leads, trying to identify the source of the images, and as well they have a bounty information, like I think like $200,000 in Bitcoin, if someone can come up with some evidence leading to the individuals that's trying to extort them. Now, the source of the images, according to their initial assessment of Binance, revealed that the images came from February of 2018. Now, that was a time that many people were trying to get onto the Binance exchange, and in order to accommodate the many registration that they was going through, Binance contracted a third-party KYC vendor for KYC verification in order to handle the high volume of requests at that time. So could that be the loophole of which the information was taken? Binance believes the leak is related to a previous one in which an anonymous cybersecurity researcher revealed leaked KYC documents were for sale on the dark web. Did anyone know about that? Maybe that occurred on the last hack that they had about 3 months ago. Binance added that those able to provide any information to help identify the individual and pursue legal action, will be offered a reward up to 25 Bitcoin, depending on the relevance of the data given. The user, as covered, is leaking KYC documents and selfies on a Telegram group that now has over 10,000 users. Everyone is trying to sign up to see if their KYC information has been taken. Crypto Globe reached out to the individual posting the images on Telegram, the author of this article. After we requested a statement from them, we received a blank "no time." The individual then stopped replying. Okay, so I want to bring it back to this particular point right here, that Binance believes the leak is related to a previous one in which an anonymous cybersecurity researcher revealed leaked KYC documents were for sale on the dark web. Could it have happened here? Binance says more than $40 million in Bitcoin were stolen in a large-scale hack 3 months ago. They confirmed that a large-scale data breach in which hackers stole more than $40 million in cryptocurrency. In the statement, Binance said the hackers stole API keys, two-factor codes, and other information in the attack. Now, this is where I'm making the connection to the KYC data. Okay, the company said, talking about Binance, they stole API keys, two-factor codes, and others. See, what is the specifics of other information in the attack? It could have well been KYC data from Binance. Okay. So that's all thing I wanted to point out, is that about 3 months ago, other information was also taken, the last hacked, and all of a sudden they're trying to be extorted once again for KYC documents today. So with all the negativity that is coming across to Binance, has it had any major impact on price? Let's take a look at that now. As you can tell, Binance has been one cryptocurrency that has not been trading like the rest of the altcoin market. As a matter of fact, it's been trading kind of like Bitcoin, one of the many outliers in the cryptocurrency space. Last time we did our video for Binance, you can tell that we expected this market to move to the downside. Right here on the 27th of July was the last time we created this price target. And you can see right here on the 30th of July, the market came all the way down to $26 from our price target. So about 5.35% made in the market in less than 5 days. Okay. You could have taken profit any day since we created this video, because the market continually came into our price target area numerous times. So we was in the profit, numerous days. So let's get rid of it and let's talk about it now. Okay. I'm going to change over because I don't like the price bars being calculated by TradingView. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to a different one from Binance using Tether. And you can see a little bit better now. Okay, so we're going to utilize this chart going forward in the market for Binance. Let's go ahead and create that ascending line that has been placed in the market for Binance. Let's bring it down a little bit further. Okay, so now today, it's when all the negativity came out in the market for Binance, and look what's going on in the market today. Binance is up 8.2%. So the news hasn't had any negative impact on price. That should tell you something. This current price bar on the daily time frame is insinuating that this coin is going to continue to move to the upside, and we're going to hit some resistance right there around $31. Okay. So if I had to say anything, that would have to be the TP price in the market for Binance. I mean, it's been a very strong up move today in Binance. amidst all the negativity. 3-hour chart is showing us strength, the 1-hour chart as well. I mean, this is just I think they call it a parabolic move in the market. Parabolic move in the market. Strength definitely has came into this coin. What we're going to do, we are going to go ahead and create a simulated position in the market in Binance. Very good trading going on in the market for today. We're going to hold support in order to keep the prospect of Binance moving higher, right there at $28.84. TP is going to be at $31, okay, which is going to give us about 4% in the market for resistance. Okay, so TP is at $31. I can definitely see the market, though, if we continue to see the strength that is currently coming to today, hitting $32 in around that particular price, which will be about 7.09% move to the upside. Okay, but all in all, we're definitely seeing indications of strength entering the market. Now, we do get a couple of down days, nothing to really worry about, because we are still trading above this ascending line, and the next support area is going to be at $28. So the market in Binance is expected to continue to move to the upside. That's our expectation. It hasn't been affected by the news that came out today regarding the KYC leaked information. As a matter of fact, it did the opposite. So that tells us from the price chart perspective that this coin is still geared for higher prices. So we got our expectations right there on the price chart, full transparency, showing you all our expectations in the market without causing you any confusion. And now we want to know what's your opinion. Do you think this coin is going to continue to trade alongside this ascending line and continue to move higher, or do you think it's going to break down and move lower? Again, join us at our website, HueFinancial.com, and make sure you all maintain your profitability. I'll talk to you all later.